DOT crews are still hard at work picking up debris in the tornado-ravaged areas of Jacksonville. Sonia Vaccaro was at home when the April 16th twister ripped her roof off. Luckily, she escaped injury.
Maybe my guardian angel was close to me because I felt peaceful. I didn't feel frightened or anything like that.
Construction workers are making repairs to her home of 41 years.
Most of the front portion of the roof was ripped off. There was some structural damage that we had to go ahead and replace.
Vaccaro says on the night of the tornado, it was shocking how quickly it all happened.
In that room, water coming from the light fixture. In my bathroom, it's just like the sky's open.
While some reconstruction has started in this neighborhood, there's still a lot of homes that are uninhabitable. Vaccaro is still unable to live in her home, but construction workers say they are making a lot of progress.
We're trying to go ahead and get it put back together. Hopefully in about another week and a half, she'll be completed and at least able to return onto her home.
And even though she's enjoying staying with her daughter and grandkids, Vaccaro says she'll be ready to return.
This is home. No place like home.
Reporting in Jacksonville, Kevin Riopel, News 14, Carolina.